Hey, Little Willies, it's me. It's everyone's favorite chef and touchy uncle, Big Willie. And that means it's time for cooking with Uncle Willie, with touchy Uncle Willie. All right, in today's episode, we're cooking life hacks. I love these life hacks, and I love falling for the bait. It's this weird like human centipede where you watch a bad video that they're making, it's just rage bait, like they're making rage bait. Let's see what we got. What's our first life hack? This is, what is this? Is this like intestine or something? They're just shoving, I don't like the way he's grabbing it. I don't like this. How did this end up in this folder? You know, one of the most important parts of cooking is using whatever you've got in the kitchen. Like it doesn't matter, you don't need to go to the store. We've got Halloween Crunch. I got these at the grocery outlet. Halloween Crunch Ghosts Turn Milk Green. And it expired in, let's find the date, April 19th of 2021. I guess what I'm trying to say is I don't have a problem. Just use whatever you can find in the garage to make food. And that brings us making mashed potatoes out of Lay's potato chips. All right, so you just take the potato chips and you boil them in water for 5 minutes. That seems far too long. And then you strain them? Why would you strain them?
Put a little bit of butter.
And then you put butter in them. They're deep fried. They're like completely soaked with oil, which is why they're so fat. And you're gonna put more butter in it. And then you're putting milk in it. How cute. She's like, I never measure anything.
Remember what you want?
What are you gonna measure? What's the right amount of milk to put in your potato chip mashed potatoes? Is there actually an answer? That's like throwing a grenade and saying I'm not very accurate. No, it's not like that at all. Okay, let's just keep. Oh, that's not the RPGs, thank God. God, like there's dead roly-polies and there's like dead bugs in there. Is that mouse poop? I feel like I should put the fucking thermocouple into it. Make sure there's no smegma. All right, now that our water is hot, let's go ahead and introduce the first ingredient, the thermocouple. We want to be able to measure the temperature because accuracy in cooking is incredibly important. Anyone who just randomly guesses how much of an ingredient or a random temperature to cook their food at is an absolute moron. This is meth cooking on meth. I feel like the right way to do this is to leave it in the bag and make the mashed potatoes in the bag and then eat them out of the bag. You know, when you're in the wilderness and you need a place to poop, but you're too scared to poop on a rock or a tree or a bush or a squirrel, you just get a bag of potato chips, roll it up like that. A, it'll make you poop more easily if you eat the whole bag. B, you then have a bag that you can put the poop in. I need a spoon. Konnichiwa. All right. We squish. Jesus Christ.
That's way too much water.
Well, she strains it. So then, like, I'm following the instructions, damn it. My name's Chef, and if you keep disrespecting that title, I'm going to bust. Don't make me bust a nut. All right, there's a minute left. That's probably enough, right? All right, let's go in the backyard and strain this bad boy. I'm just gonna pour all the leftover water in the same spot that I pee in. I pee right here. One wrong move and there's just gonna be a massive pile of soggy chips on the ground. Oh shit, this is not right. There's like so much liquid in there. This is not mashed potatoes. What's the straining part of this? Your instructions are bad. And you should feel bad. I mean, you really should feel bad about this whole thing.
Too much water.
It is. You shouldn't have to strain them. You should put in the appropriate amount of water. But now it's like, I don't want to have to go to the damn store and get another bag of chips. And I don't even know how she's I think it'd be easier to mash it if it was more dry. This is disgusting. It looks like oatmeal. Like, this is truly heinous. All right, we're gonna put some garlic salt in there. We're just gonna skip the onion powder because I don't have any. This is what it would be like if you were the pot of mashed potatoes right now. Okay. The plate didn't feel appropriate. Yep. And yep. Don't worry. I know you might be thinking, how am I supposed to eat that with a fork? I got straws. Don't spill it on yourself. I think it's sort of got some like kind of napalm energy going on right now. It might just be the worst mashed potatoes I've ever had in my life. Holy God, that's bad. It's like everything's wrong with it. Mm-mm. That's not good. 1 chef hat out of 5. Yeah, that's it. Right, sir, there's your bag of mashed potato porridge. You got this convenient straw sticking out there. Ah! Don't spill it on yourself, did you? Yeah, Jesus. Gosh, what sort of surprise. All right, we need steak and Jell-O and oil, and we're gonna deep fry the steak. So you deep fry the steak. That looks kind of nice, actually, the deep fried steak. And then the blue Jell-O, he's gonna just, holy Jesus Christ. I just like, it's not even like, it's not even going anywhere. Like this can't, it's like, there's no way this is good, right? Like there's no way this is good. Like there's like absolutely no way this is good. Isn't it a thing that like most chefs have some sort of drug and alcohol problem? Why is that? Why do chefs have drug and alcohol problems? Like if I was a chef, I would probably be fat. Okay, here goes nothing, gamers. Oh, that's not so bad. I thought it was gonna explode. This looks done to me. It's not what's in the video, but it's got the right kind of squishiness to it. It's shrunk up quite a bit. The edges are charred. I think we put it into the Jell-O. This is actually like a crime. Not even a crime against steak, just a regular crime. This is horrific. Oh my God, that's rancid looking. This actually looks like a piece of moldy meat. Okay, so, you know, this smells so bad. All right, let's cut this bad boy open. That's cooked. That's cooked.
That's great.
Holy Jesus Christ. I'm just gonna taste it, I guess. Mm-mm.
No?
It's like 2 experiences at the same time. Like there is the steak experience, and then there's the really, really sweet, like almost, it's like Jolly Rancher-esque sweetness experience. Like it just tastes like a steak completely coated in sugar. It's obscenely sweet. It's horrible. I don't think there's anywhere you could serve this that somebody would appreciate it. Maybe somewhere in the Midwest. Where's there like a lot of fat people? Midwest?
It's like a steak flavored icy.
Yeah. It's not.
Wow, that's weird. Once you get to the meat texture,
it's bad.
That's bad.
Yeah.
Wow.
1 out of 5 chef hats. Heads. Chef heads? Chef hats? This is hot dog drink. That's right. A drink made out of hot dogs. So we've got hot dog. We boil the hot dogs. We pull the water out. We freeze it. Then we blend it with beer. A fresh beer. It's just gonna foam to oblivion. And then you pour a hot dog out with a straw. And then let me guess, you use the hot dog as a straw. Oh my God, it's like a margarita. Yeah, the hot dog's a straw. So you use a straw to turn the hot dog into a straw instead of just using the straw as a straw. I mean, I get it. This is rage bait, 100% rage bait. And let's test it out. I've already prepared the hot dog ice. I did that last night. Let's roll the clip. All right, according to the instructions, the first step is to put hot dogs into a pot full of water. Then we're just gonna fill that up. Ah! I had an accident. It was.
Grab the towel and clean it.
I had an accident.
Yeah.
And you just cut all those together with just like 2 frames of each one. Ooh, okay, now that it's boiling, actually I don't know, how long do you cook hot dogs for? I guess we just turn it off once it's boiling. All right. Then we're gonna ladle our hot dog juice into our ice cups. All right, you got this, William. Don't even, oh no. No. Slowly move the Harry Potter ice cube tray full of hot dog water to the freezer. Don't lurch, yes, touchdown, baby. Little midnight snack, 11:06 at night. It's a perfect time for a little hot dog snack. I don't even remember what I filmed, but I think it's pretty unhinged. I sort of just blacked out. All right, so we've got, this is what frozen hot dog water looks like. The like, oh, that's a smell. That's a horrible smell. You smell that?
Ooh.
Into the blender. Let's pour the rest of these into the blender. So the first step, obviously, is you've got your hot dog ice cubes, which we made. Second step is you blend them, but you don't blend them on their own. You got to blend them with a beer in there. So let me go get a Bud Light. You want a Bud Light? Now they didn't really give us a ratio of Bud Light to ice. Okay, Bud Light for you, Bud Light for me, Bud Light for the recipe. Cheers. All right, step 2, Bud Light into the ice. If you squeeze the can, it comes out faster. And then we're gonna. This is gonna be bad. This is like, there's a handful of things you don't do. One of them is eat hot dog water. Number 2 is blend a carbonated beverage. It's just gonna be foamy, icy nightmare. Like this is actually gonna be, that actually doesn't look that bad. What was I complaining about a second ago? This actually looks kind of nice.
It looks like a pina colada.
Yeah, except it's hot dogs, and so we could call it like pina salada or something like that. This is a really actually gross feeling. This is what it's like installing a catheter on a patient.
Oh, it's a corset.
Oh, this is a nightmare.
No.
Ah, I got her. I nailed her. So this is for the rim decoration. Yeah. And then we're gonna dip the cup in. And that is so pathetic. It's already separated. I gotta reblend this really quick, gamers. I'm so sorry. All right, it's nice and reblended. Gotta be quick. I'm gonna pour it in. That's a nice frothy glass of hot dog margarita beverage beer flavor. I don't know what nightmare this is, but it is something that we're about to live. It's gonna be a real mare. It doesn't work at all, the straw. It doesn't work at all. It's just like, you can feel the hot dog when you suck on it. It just like, the cavity like closes up. I'm just gonna drink it. This might be one of the most rancid things. I really don't like this. It's like the liquid at the bottom. Oh my god, this is so gross.
Oh, my straw works.
Your straw works?
Oh, the straw works. It's so
Why does my
bad.
straw not work? Barely.
You suck too hard.
If you suck more gently, then it works. I don't know if a negative score is possible, but this is -5 chef hats out of 5 chef hats. Holy mother of God, that is truly rancid. The amount of effort gone into make something so like disgusting is far too high. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. You can, if you want to click on another video from a different channel, that's fine now, or you can turn YouTube off. I think that getting this video and getting to the end is like the realization you needed, that you should like go outside. Why did you watch this? Does anyone actually watch this on a TV? If you're on a TV right now, leave a comment. I don't think you can you?